Statement of comparison of budget and actual amounts for the year then and then, and financial statements, including a summary of significant
Remember that, Pedro?
in our opinion, 2024, and its financial performance, the cash flow, changes in net assets, equity, and comparison of budget and actual amounts for the year then ended, and those financial statements, including a summary of significant accounting policy in accordance with the National Public Sector Accounting Standards, and signed by the Provisional Audit Supervising Auditor on May 16, 2025. So you see, here,
How to spell sahur? How to spell sahur? How to spell sahur? Tugtog nga. Tugtog.
The Office of Vice President first commitment to comply with all laws, existing rules and regulations, including audit
Tungtong nga.
so that
Oh, tungtong. Yung cute.
and
Ah, chumanyaw now.